So this is already a great sentence. You've got a good subject, the boy, you've got the verb eats, and you've got a direct object, a cake. But I would like to challenge all of us to come up with some good words to put into this sentence that makes it much more interesting for the reader to picture in his head, okay? What kind of boy is eating a cake? How is he eating this cake? What kind of cake is he eating? There are so many different things we can do. So let's start with the boy. Could you give me some adjectives that describe the boy? Anything. Little, that's great. Little. Fat. That should be interesting. Happy, good. What's another word you could use? I heard silly. Okay. All right, so let's leave these words here. And then I want us to take a look at cake. What kind of cake is this boy eating? What kind of cake is he eating? Birthday, good. What flavor? Anyone have a favorite flavor? Oh, strawberry. I love strawberry. Okay. What else could we have? What kind of cake? Chocolate, sure, why not? Okay. Now, we could already imagine how great this sentence is because now we've got these wonderful adjectives that describe both the boy and the cake, right? So if we were to make a new sentence, we could easily write the little happy boy eats, and we'll pick two of them from here. Well, let's do strawberry and birthday. Eats a strawberry birthday cake. Now, already that sentence is so much better than just the boy eats a cake. You have had all these adjectives to add before the nouns, and you have made something that the reader can imagine. Yes? Okay, but we have a single word here that could actually be changed to make into even more interesting. And I want us to take a look at the word eats. Okay, last week we talked about using the book, The Synonym Finder. I think you brought it today. Yes, this one. If you don't, you can use your website, thesynonym.finder.com, and just go over some things. And what we'll do is we just find the section on eats. So we go to the listing. Eats begins with the letter E, so in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E, we go to eats. And we get to eats, and we can read, all right, we can read the different ways we eat. Take a meal, fare, break bread, dine, sup, lunch, breakfast. So those are all very common ways we eat. And these are all just the same. It's a verb. The boy, we could have said, dines on a birthday cake, right? But there are some really good words that follow here that I think I would like to use in our sentence and see what happens. What happens when we change the word eats to nibbles? You know what nibbles means? It means to take tiny little bites at a time. So if I wrote the boy nibbles, and in this case we would have to use on a birthday cake, on a cake, it already changes the meaning. It means what? He's eating one small piece of cake at a time. Now, Would the little happy boy nibbles on a strawberry birthday cake seem a little silly? It does, but it would change the meaning, wouldn't it, than just simply eats. It has a very different description. Okay, let's take another look at a word in here. Devour, devours. Do you know what the word devours means? It means to eat so quickly, right? It devours. Now, the little happy boy devours a strawberry birthday cake. Which do you like better? I think I like devours. Yes? So we have a new sentence. The little happy boy devours a strawberry birthday cake. So much better than our very first sentence, the boy eats a cake, because it gives the reader a bigger, better picture of what is happening in this one sentence. So I'm going to challenge you to continue doing that. Use your synonym finder to find substitute words that will give us a better picture of what you are trying to share. Okay? All right. Let's go on.